I did it. I did it again. Hello everybody, Nikki White here, and I'm bringing you another expensive doll haul. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I did one years ago and I got my Chibi Usa Pullip doll, and I'm back. And this time we're unboxing some Evangelion dolls. I believe these were released back in like 2008, so they are older. I've got some in box and I'll give you the little backstory on them. I feel like I had seen these guys online and then was like, oh, those are super cool, and they like faded from my consciousness. But this past week, my friend Adam and I were shopping in Markham again, and we went to First Markham Place, and we found a random store called Toy Square, and in the window I saw them, Asuka and Ray. It was such a random find, and I just was like,
can I see them?
So Asuka was listed for $250, and I checked the price on eBay and stuff quick, and that was like pretty much on par with what I was seeing online. I decided to go for it. She looked like she was in good condition. Prices kind of matched what was online, so let's unbox her. Here she is, still in her box. Her hair is tied back there. Let's see, she is in her plug suit. You can see she's got the accessories. She comes with 3 outfits. So she comes with, hold on. Don't love that. She comes with 3 outfits. She's got her like iconic yellow dress, her school dress, and then the plug suit. And these dolls, I don't know if you can, probably not, but behind me I have the Chibi Usa and Sailor Moon, and they're really top heavy, so they're really annoying to display because they don't want to stay up. So I don't know how I'm going to do these ones. Right now I have those 2 sitting and they're like barely holding on, so we'll see. Also, my X-Acto knife. I feel like there's elements on this box that I like I like the bow here, but the rest is not really my vibe. So I find Pullip dolls are somewhat similar to Blythe dolls. They kind of both have big heads, big eyes, but Pullip dolls, you can't change their eye color. You can kind of change the way they look, like which way their eyes are looking. Oh. Okay, all right, okay. What's the hold up here? Let's go, Asuka, let's go. There we go. So here she is in the box. You can see her a little better here. She's currently in the plug suit. I'm going to keep her in there. The sketchy accessories, I don't know how I feel about that. Yellow dress. We got her little, like, I don't even know what you'd call them, ear things, headband things, school uniform. I feel like this is giving me flashbacks to my childhood of like unboxing dolls with all this nonsense, all the restraints. Okay, that was way more effort than I thought it was going to be to release her from her shackles. It's been a while since I've unboxed one of these. Check it out. Look at this look. Okay, so let's zoop. Like how she still has the restraint just to keep her. Okay, actually, can she wink? She has the 2, which makes me think that, yep, she can wink. And then she can look side to side. Oh, it looks like she has little like pigtail things. I don't know if that's just to keep her hair in place or if that's like Asuka's hairstyle. You gotta comb out our girl's hair here. I don't know if I should take these out or not. I feel like it'd be a mission to redress her, honestly. So here she is in her little plug suit. The number on the back, and let's free up her shoes. I'm so sick of pleather. Look, so see that? The other piece is just stuck to the plastic in the box. If there's any doll collectors out there that have tips for me on like maintaining the pleather, because you're gonna see on Ray, she has peeling too, even though she's been in a box. Yeah, I'm pretty over pleather. The Sailor Moon I got her secondhand, and even though the seller said it was like in excellent condition, her skirt is very peely, which is really annoying to me. It's like a surgery. Okay. There we go. sticky free. Yes. Yeah, I have no idea how I would take her out of this successfully and redress her. And like I said, I'd be very nervous about the suit just absolutely disintegrating. So something that I've been doing for this like pleather, fake leather, is using coconut oil. I don't know if that's good or bad. It seems okay so far, so fingers crossed. She's got some accessories here. Got her watch, and then I don't know what you call these little headpiece things. I was Asuka in the yellow dress a couple years ago for Halloween, so I like made myself these little guys. Okay, I got one in. Let's just keep that for now. I have to figure out her hair situation. Can I do her gloves? We'll see. So you basically like clip it over her hand. Yeah, I'm really worried about this suit just like disintegrating. So okay, everybody, that was a big fail. I dropped the one glove down the side of the very back of my bed, so we're gonna have to do that. So she's got one glove, one headpiece. I will film her later when she's all done up properly. That's the best we're gonna get for now. I think, yeah, you can't, she has to stay standing. Look at this. You can see like the peeling. I think she has to stay in this until it disintegrates, and then that's it. And she has to stand when she's in this. There's no, I'm not seeing posability when she's like this. I think she is jointed, but we're gonna have to pose her in a different outfit, not this one, because there's already so much cracking going on. And I don't know if this is just because of age, because she's been in the box. And there she is for now. So I bought Asuka the other day. Like I said, she was $250 at the store, and I was also wanting Ray, but I'm like, okay, I can't buy both of these today and spend $500 on dolls. Like, what am I doing? I'm going back to Japan soon, so like, save your money for Japan. But then I got home and I'm like, she needs her friend. She can't be on her own. So your girl hit up eBay. I was looking at prices for the Ray doll to see kind of if there was a better price online. And it turns out, unlike Asuka, who was generally priced the same at the store and online, Ray was actually much cheaper. So yes, the same night, I bought Ray too. She only has 2 outfits, but I really like the schoolgirl outfit with the bandages. I think that's super cool. She does have the lance here in her plug suit. I got this one from Japan. Oh, so the box is actually open already. So it's an open box, technically used or whatever, but like the main thing they said was just that the box was faded. Generally, if you're buying secondhand from Japan, the stuff is always in very good condition. And so yes, the box is faded, but that's fine because I'm not just like keeping in box or reselling too much. Oh my god. Cinnamoroll doll, and she's got milk in a bag. Oh. They just keep getting me. The seller said that the doll was in beautiful condition, but I could see as soon as, like in the pictures I couldn't tell, but as soon as I got her I could tell if there was some peeling on the suit, which as we saw, literally I just unboxed Asuka and she looked perfect, but then as soon as I started moving her, the suit was like kind of falling apart. I don't know if she was just displayed in a shop window for years, because like, yes, the pieces and stuff are yellowing or faded. She generally looks good, but you can see there's peeling on the leg, which kind of worries me, because if it's already peeling in the box, like, I don't know how this is gonna play out once I take her out. It might all just peel off, so let's stay tuned, and hopefully when I take that plastic off, I'm gonna do my best as a surgeon here. Let's do it. So I know you can cut from the back, but I think with this situation, I'm gonna try to do it from the front and just, oh no. Can you guys see this? Yep. Oh, that was what I was worried was gonna happen. Because that's what it looked like for Asuka. So what happens is this just gets stuck to the plastic over time. I don't think there's any saving that. And then of course once it starts, oh my gosh, I hope her whole suit doesn't disintegrate. Let's see. I'm worried about it on her belly too. And like, I'm not gonna make a big fuss with the seller because it is what it is. That's just what happens with these materials. But like, oh, that's so annoying. I think I'm gonna buy some fabric paint and see if I can kind of repair, I guess. Exactly what I thought was gonna happen just happened. Oh no, so bad. So look, we cut the thing from the back. Look, the whole belly just came off. She might just have to get put into a different suit right away and just scrap this, which is so unfortunate. Okay, let's see. Ooh, guys, it's not good. Okay, let's free her hair first. I feel like her hair is a little long for Ray's hair, but I guess that's part of the doll. Maybe once it gets styled a little better. Can she wink? I guess she can. Okay, so here's her face. Very cute. The suit. The suit. Not good, guys. She's already wearing her gloves, actually. But look at the back. Yep. So, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep her in this. Her butt, the legs, obviously, just be flaking and peeling. I think if I take her out of this, it's definitely, like, garbage. I don't think that she's coming back from this. She's literally disintegrating before my very eyes. And I honestly like her schoolgirl outfit better because with the medical bandages, I think that's cool. I know obviously this suit is cooler, but taking out the lance because cool accessory. Just use this as like a fork. Oh, it's hopeless. I think I'm just gonna have to take this right off. Yeah. I don't think there's any saving that. And it's funny because I watched another YouTube video and the suit was also just completely shredded. So I don't know if Ray's is just more prone to that. Asuka's, it's definitely not looking great, but at least it's still there now. So here they are. I'm gonna put them side by side over with my other dolls. thanks for watching. If you guys have any feedback on like maintaining these kinds of suits, these materials, please let me know. Oh, and I forgot to say, Ray was about 170, I think, versus 250 for Asuka. Don't ask me about the price difference. It is what it is. But seeing as the quality of her suit, I think that is fair that she was cheaper. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Look to see you. Bye.